Meanwhile, an anti-crime group sees the recent crime incidents as a challenge to lawmen to work even better against lawless elements. The full story from Alvin Baltazar.
The Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption appeals to Malacanang Palace to look into the performance of the Philippine National Police and other law enforcement agencies amid the seemingly deteriorating crime situation. According to VACC Chairman Dante Jimenez, criminals apparently are having a feast this past few days and that something must be done already with utmost political will.
Buhay na naman ng mga sindikato, mga kidnappers, buhay na naman. Mga robbery groups, buhay na naman. Fundraising na naman yan. There is practically a strong storm raging now. At tingnan niyo po ang strategy ng inyong kapulisyahan, military, and other operatives. Because it's the people that's suffering.
The Anti-Crime and Corruption Group also grade to the PNP leadership as they also challenge the police hierarchy to lay down the real peace and order situation of the country before the public.
Kay General Purisima in presence.
5. O ito, meron ditong logbook na sanitize, meron logbook yung actual. So tinatago mo. So mababa talaga ang statistics nila. But the actual situation is there is a rising tide of criminality nationwide.
The VACC stated that PNP should take the present peace and order situation as a challenge for them to work more. They likewise expressed readiness to present the needed statistics to prove that there is a reason for the public to get alarmed amid various crimes that are happening not only here in Metro Manila but to other parts of the country. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.